Even I am surprised at how much power the star gave me. It's incredible.
You damn plumber! Don't you get cocky! Larry! Roy!
You're mine, plumber!
It's not as though I don't hate Mario, but... Roy! Go! Now! You damn bastard! Damn it!
Hydro
He's fast!
where'd it go?
No, Larry! You!
Kermit! Leave us and return to my son. He is not to join the battle.
But sir...
Are you questioning my orders?
No, sire. We're right away.
Mario!
Stop moving, you pitiful man! Stop it! Stop! Stop touching me!
Link? How?
Link?
Where did he come from?
Good one, Link.
And she's out.
Why you? My defense.
Now one more.
Mario! Look out! Die! So much for... No!
You.
No!
I told you I won't forgive you.
No! No, wait, Mario!
No, not that easy. Not someone like you.
This is for my brother!
Told you they were screwed.
Gave that bastard what he deserved. For Luigi.
Now one thing remains.
Are you okay, Princess? Yes, thank you.
How did you guys get here?
Yes, by accident.
That's weird. The creator only made one for us. That's right.
Mario, thank you. It's over now.
No, I'm afraid not, Peach.
Oh yeah. It'll take more than that surprise attack to beat him.
Why, you fools!
Sky Dragons,
I keep getting in my way one after another.
incredible.
Heh, don't underestimate Wendy, freak show.
Okay, everyone leave this place. It's time I finish this.
But Mario, I don't feel right leaving you in this place.
I came here for your safety and to ensure you stay safe. I will come back.
Oh, Mario.
Link, could you teleport everyone away from here? Thank you.
Mario, please come back.
You think I'll let her escape?
See you later.
What?
That's some speed he's got there. Looks like we won't get any action. Oh well, pity. Don't worry, Princess. He'll definitely come back.
Thank you, Mega Man.
Are you? Where are you?
It's over now, Bowser.
You said that last time, and I walked away with Peach.
That won't happen this time.
That's where you're wrong. Your star power is marvelous, no doubt, but my true power escapes you. Look.
A Triforce like Link's?
Yes, I took it after defeating another so-called king, and with it came a wish. And that wish was, I take in all the hate of this world and use it to never make you leave here alive, Mario! I will show you true power, Mario! You never had a chance to win! It's over for you!
He's actually getting stronger. That Bowser's getting a lot stronger. No kidding.
Please hurry!
Get ready to fight!
Bring it!
You won't escape!
No!
Peach! please!
No, you don't!
You doesn't Mario! Now! You damn plumber!
Worry about who's in front of you, Bowser!
You are always in my way, Mario!
Incredible! He's driving him back! Come back safe, Mario! Come on, Peach!
No! Peach!
Looks like it's just me and you, Bowser.
No matter. After I've killed you, your friends are next, and Peach will be mine!
Then maybe it's time we stop messing around.
Oh, so you know I'm not using my full power.
Neither am I, Bowser.
Very well. Let's get serious.
Is he the one?
Looks like it.
Bowser!
Wow. That Bowser sure is incredible.
I hope Mario can handle it.
Huh? It's him! Hey, wait up, Naruto!
I knew I had a bad feeling.
What's going on? Show me what you got, Bowser.
Allow me to show you my hatred!
What?
Not yet! This isn't enough! No, this isn't enough! Oh no! No, still not enough! The princess won't like your face when it's all cut out like this, Mario! I possess a hate as great as this planet! And I'll make sure I'll use it all to make sure you are destroyed and away from existence, Mario! Now die!
Mario!
He's fine.
How?
Concentrate, Naruto.
How's that? Dropping without me even trying. What? How?
Not too bad.
What did you say?
Because if that was all you had, then I'd be disappointed.
I will kill you if that's the last thing I do! Come and get me!